Welcome. This video is going to show you how to align a left chest design onto a t-shirt using the Perfect Transfer tool and the large insert that has both the cutouts for the left and right chest. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clear off our heat press. And we're going to lay out our shirt. For to lay the shirt out onto the heat press with the collar just dropped off the top of the heat press. That way it doesn't give any press marks onto the collar. Then I'll come down to the side and I'll feel the edge of the bottom of the shirt and try and make it as close to being even as possible, but not spending too much time, and then I'll just flatten out the shirt. In this case, since we're doing this left chest design, I need to target this design in the proper place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the Perfect Transfer tool onto the shirt, and in this case I'm going to use the large insert. I'm going to want the top of my design to fall within 1.5 inches from the bottom of the collar. If I rotate the tool around, you'll notice that I can start to get different markings coming down, and I can move it up to hit other markings as well. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this at 2.5. Actually, let's do this at 1.5 inches from the top of the design, from the bottom of the collar. All I'm going to do is pull up the collar and align the tool with the collar. I can just go off of the center mark, or if I want to be particular, I can flip the shirt over and use the points on the collar, what I call the Batman points, to line up the tool. Once I put the shirt down, I'm never going to move the shirt. I'm always going to adjust the tool so that it hits the same point. Then I'm going to turn around, fold that down, grab the sleeves, and fold the sleeves over. We're going to use a 3-point registration system with the top of the collar and both of the sleeves to align the shirt. In this case, if you notice the bottom of the sleeves, this one comes to C and this one comes below C. So all I'm going to do is adjust the tool until they both meet the same location. So now they're both meeting at C. I'll just fold the shirt back down. Now what I can do is I can take my design, and I have this slots over here that allow me to center the design. If I want the design to be 1.5 inches from the top, I can just press down the tool. Because it's made out of a polycarbonate material, it allows it to flex. So if I want it 1.5 inches from the top of the design to the actual collar, and then let's say I want it 3.5 inches over, I have inch markers horizontally that allow me to do that. So I just come down, line it up. It's now coming across the 1.5 inch line for the top of the design, and vertically it's split down to 3.5 inch. Once I have that, I can pull off the tool and close the heat press.